Oh, hey guys, Nolan here. Featured hike for May 9th. We're at Morgan's Point. So basically we're here somewhere, here. Maybe we're gonna go whoop, 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 back. Pretty much it. Also, I noticed it says there's a pavilion. I don't see a pavilion there. I don't even see the washrooms it says. I don't know. It's weird, but we're getting into it. Dune Trail and Shoreline. Just head this way. Now I will say this trail is nice with the boardwalk, beautiful. But yeah, just enjoy it. Be a lot more foliage by the time you're coming, but right on the shoreline. Got a rabbit right there. Hi. Let's continue on our way. Okay, I would personally say best time to come to Morgan's Point is, well, to this hike is in fall, because there's so much foliage that you get to see the colors really nicely. Then also it's not too cold, not too hot, and in the summer it's super busy with people wanting to swim and stuff like that. But that's it for me. Enjoy this hike. Bye-bye.